Welcome to the future of home selling in Ontario, where virtual tours are transforming the real estate landscape. In today's fast-paced digital world, real estate transactions are now happening virtually. The key to a successful virtual tour is high-quality visuals. High-definition photography and immaculate videography can make a world of difference. By presenting your property in the best possible light, you can make it a compelling prospect for potential buyers. Utilizing professional photography and videography captures your home in the best light, making it irresistible to potential buyers. Next, a user-friendly interface is crucial. A well-designed layout imbues visitors with ease and confidence as they explore property. This means intuitive navigation, quick load times, easily accessible information, and visually appealing elements. The goal is to make the journey smooth and enjoyable, putting them at ease. It allows viewers to navigate your property effortlessly, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. Incorporating interactive features such as clickable hotspots and info pop-ups enhances the experience. It creates a virtual tour, adding an exciting dimension to property viewing. It not only engages, but also offers valuable property details, thus making it more appealing. Accessibility across devices and browsers is essential for reaching a wider audience. This is significant in today's digital age, where people use various electronic gadgets. It ensures that your virtual tour reaches all corners of the globe, catering to different individuals' needs. It adjusts to their unique requirements, whether they are using a smartphone, tablet, desktop, or a browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Making your virtual tour available to every potential buyer, no matter how they're accessing it, is the ultimate goal. Lastly, effective promotion and SEO strategies are key in elevating your virtual tour's visibility, drawing in an increasing number of viewers and prospective clients. In the digital age, visibility is everything. The real estate market, particularly has witnessed an upsurge in the usage of virtual tours. These digital showcases are becoming indispensable tools in the industry, enabling sellers to exhibit their properties effectively and efficiently. With this, innovative sellers can now reach a wider audience. Embrace the future of home selling and set up your virtual tour today.